Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a rich and indulgent drink inspired by the classic Black Forest dessert, the almond cherry mocha. This latte combines bold espresso, smooth chocolate, sweet cherry flavor, and a hint of almond for a luxurious cafe-style drink. If you love chocolate-covered cherries and cozy coffee recipes, this one is going to be absolutely irresistible. Ingredients: 1-2 shots espresso or cup strong brewed coffee, cup milk, whole milk, almond milk, or oat milk, 1 tablespoon chocolate syrup or cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon cherry syrup or cherry juice, teaspoon almond extract, 1-2 teaspoons sugar or sweetener. Optional toppings: cream, chocolate shavings, maraschino cherry. Directions: start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee and set it aside. In a small saucepan over low heat, pour in the milk and add the chocolate syrup or cocoa powder. Whisk gently until the chocolate fully dissolves and the milk becomes smooth and creamy. Next, stir in the cherry syrup and almond extract. Continue heating the mixture for another minute until it is warm and fragrant. Be careful not to let the milk boil. Pour the freshly brewed espresso into your favorite mug. Slowly add the warm chocolate cherry milk mixture and stir gently to combine all the flavors. For the finishing touch, top your mocha with whipped cream. Sprinkle chocolate shavings or cocoa powder on top and add a maraschino cherry for that classic Black Forest dessert look. The result is a rich almond cherry mocha that perfectly balances deep chocolate, sweet cherry, and a subtle almond aroma, creating a decadent coffee drink that tastes like dessert in every sip. And that's how you make a delicious almond cherry mocha inspired by Black Forest cake. It's rich, chocolatey, and perfectly balanced with sweet cherry and almond flavor. If you enjoyed this unique coffee recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more creative coffee drinks, and share it with your fellow coffee lovers. Thanks for watching. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinural.com/3coffeelover.